How's it going, YouTube? This is Mike again. I officially got the Suburban build started. I just got back from Lowe's about an hour ago, and I was like, I figured why not, kind of blog what I'm doing. First, I kind of started planning it out. I wasn't really sure how I wanted it to do all this. I kind of wanted the subwoofer back there where those 2x4s are put onto the side, and then wanted the amps back here, but then the way the wires would have to been ran, it would have been a pain. Instead, I went ahead and went with the subwoofers back here. I'm gonna have two on this side, two on the other side, and then I'm gonna have sort of like a amp right here, and my 2,000 watt amps on the ground. I'm about to start cutting some wood. I plan on raising it off the ground a little bit so I can run wires underneath of it down to the other side over there. And then I think I'm gonna have, this is gonna be, the box is gonna be about right here. So then I might put another wall right here and a wall right here just to put my crossovers on. They're gonna kind of be on here, but I'm not on the side of the box. But I'm not gonna screw into the box. I'm just gonna have everything screwed together and then a 2x4 spaced off of it. So it shouldn't go anywhere. I'm trying not to make this permanent in case I ever have to take it out. I'm seeing how this works. I have really heavy duty. It's supposed to be 30-pound weight. Double-sided tape I put the 2x4s on with. I know it's kind of weird, but I didn't want to screw into it and then have to, if I ever had to take it back off, or even liquid nails it down, if I ever had to take it apart and sell it, I really don't want to take all this apart and go to put another one in, because these are a pain in the ass to take out. But we'll see how that works. If it doesn't work out, I'll liquid nails it, you know what I mean? But I'll go ahead and pause you guys and show you what I got going on. I think I'm gonna do a demo with what I got right now. By the end of the day, I know I've been saying that shit, but I finally found a way to videotape and play music at the same time, because all my music's on my phone. So right now you can see my amps are underneath the seats right there, but with my 1,000 watt amp it won't fit under there, so that's why I'm doing all this. So there's my little baby woofers, little 12s. Eventually, right now I only have two 12s. They do the job. Eventually I want to get 4. Let's see how that sounds. But I got a 1,000 watt amp on the way. Right now I'm just powering it with the 500 underneath the seat right there. And one more thing before I let you guys go. I've been playing with the box because I wanted it to be on the sides here, and I was seeing how it would do facing upwards, and it didn't. I faced it upwards the other day. The sound quality was I mean, the sound quality is good anyway, but it went up, but the bass went far down. So if any of y'all have an SUV and plan on doing a sound system, what I figured out is, if you want more bass, you need to face the port and the woofers. Mainly the port, probably, probably both. You want it as close as a wall, like, as you can. So I'm hoping when I get 4 of these in, since they'll be facing each other, and they'll kind of bounce off of each other, the air. So if that doesn't work, then I'll end up facing each one towards this wall. That's also why I put the woofers on this side. So that's it for right now, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll show you what I got going on next. See ya. Alright, YouTube, back again. I went ahead and made my marks. I'm gonna cut them out with the jigsaw, and this is gonna be my bottom. I'm gonna put 2x4s underneath of it to space it out. I got my, you can see in there, my tweeter pods that are going in. Also over there, I'm waiting on my amp and my door pods to come in. And everything should be coming out real nice. Go ahead and sit you guys down, and I'll show you what it looks like and see if you can get a picture of what I'm doing here. Alright, see you next time. Alright, back again, YouTube. Sorry for the background noise. My dad's mowing the lawn. But this is what it's turning out to look like so far. See, I got a little gap under here so I can fish some wires through. And then that's not the same piece. Oh, here it comes again. Hold on one second. And it's gonna have a little wall right here, and I'm probably gonna put another wall right here. I might put the crossovers on there. Not really sure yet. I'll see how it all goes. But got a little gap on the sides here. Also fish some wires through. I'm gonna end up drilling holes maybe, or either just that or running the wires up. Not really sure yet. But I think that's gonna be it for the day. The sun's going down. I might give you guys a demo tonight. I think I'm gonna go out with some friends for the night's over with. But alright, like, comment, subscribe. There will be more. I know there's not a lot of I think I have 1 subscriber, so just trying to grow here, guys. Starting from nothing. I don't really know anybody on YouTube. I don't get paid to do this. It's just a hobby, you know. So I just love it. I'm a bass addict. I mean, I've done this shit in the snow, fucking rain, no matter what. I'm always out here fucking putting something together. So alright, catch you next time, YouTube. Peace.